Hey guys, good evening. Benjo here, and for our first video of the year 2026, we have something here from our friends in CO. So ito yung kanilang 2026 lucky bag. So ang literal ang laki niya. Yan. So ano bang laman nitong lucky bag? So gumawa ko ng script, no, para daw magkamali. So according to their posting in FB, so yung value nung laman nung nasa loob ng bag ay nagkakahalaga ng 6,700 pesos. So over 70% in savings kung kukuha ka nun. So ano ba yung mga laman? So merong laman to na 5 pops or 5 Funko Pops. So tatlong common, dalawang exclusive. So tignan natin. Isang Transformers or Marvel na Blockies blind box. So tignan din natin mamaya. Isang small anime merch. I'm not sure kung anong anime. Tatlong The Card Game Packs. So tatlong Oshinoko anime packs. I'm not sure kung ano yung anime na yun. Tatlong panini sticker packs, tatlong panini albums, tatlong Funko pins, tatlong Funko patches, and tatlong juiced stickers. So, yung stickers, atin yun. So, yeah, ito siya ulit. Buksan na natin. So, naka-staple siya. Yeah. Uy. Mukhang okay yung laman. Uy, ang gusto ko yung Glockies Alright. So, nga pala, before ko simulan yung paglalabas ng mga gamit or yung laman ng box or ng pack, no? So, kinuha ko din kasi kanina yung aking CO. So, may pangalan ko pa, no? So, exclusive VIP card. So, just to show you guys kung ano yung itsura niya. So, ayan siya. So, ayan. Exclusive discount card. So, mamaya, pakita rin natin kung ano yung itsura niya ng harap tsaka ng likod. Di ko alam kung ano itsura ng likod. So, simulan na natin yung pag-unpack. Okay. So, sabi, meron siyang 5 Funko Pops. And, as I can see, 5 nga yung Funko Pops niya. At mukhang okay naman yung mga Pops niya. So ito, I think this is one of the exclusives, si Ezra Bridger, and special edition. Yan. Tabi ko muna dito. Then the other one, si Sylvie from Loki, and special edition. So I guess ito na yung exclusives, no? Blacklight. Parang first time ko magkaroon ng Blacklight na Funko. Ano pa yung nandito? Oh, si Roo from Winnie the Pooh. Ayos. So, tatlo na. May dalawa pa dito. Boys 2. Uy. Okay to Panood ko to Boys 2 Men pare. Si Wanya Morris. I want the vocalist, I guess. Parang puro vocalist sila dun. Anyway, and then the last one from Loki again, Ravonna Renslayer with Miss Minutes. Yan. So tandaan ko si Miss Minutes, meron siyang malaking version or meron siyang malaking Funko Pop na ganyan din itsura niya. So, ayun yung 5 Funko Pops natin. So, check. Na yung 5 Funko Pops. Next, tingnan natin kung ano yung Transformers. And I think nakita ko na siya. Ito siya. Not sure kung ito talaga yung laman niya. But I think pwede ko ba siyang buksan? Hindi ko muna bubuksan. Ganun na muna siya. Okay? So, kung titignan natin, kung ito yung laman niya, di maganda. Probably it's Grimlock or Secret Grimlock. Pero who knows, baka iba yung laman nito kasi baka hindi ito, baka ito pala ang laman niya. Optimus Prime or Inferno. Okay, wala pala si Optimus dito. Ayun pala, may Optimus Prime pala. Ayun. Pero di natin alam. No? We can do the unboxing of these specific items sa mga susunod na video. Yan. So, check na yung 5 pops, check na rin yung Transformers. Hanapin natin yung small anime merch. I'm not sure what they are referring to. Small anime merch. I think this is it. Ito na yata yun. Hindi, mga sticker ito eh. Wala ha. I think ito na yun. Small anime merch. What is this? Ayoko kasi sabihin, baka magkamali ako. Sorry na. Pero mukha siyang one piece? Galing One Piece? Or maybe not, ano. Pero may belt siya, by the way, ah. Ganda. I'm not sure kung ito na yun. Okay, I think ito na yun. Yung small anime merch natin. Direct from Japan, man! So, check na natin yun. Next is yung tatlong the card game packs. I think I found them already. Nandito. Oh wait, hindi. No. Tatlo eh. Sticker box to eh. Wait ah. But I think ito na yung hindi to yung the card game packs or the TCG packs, pero ito na yung Oshinoko. Ito na yung tatlong Oshinoko packs na natin. Sorry, yung Boko nagwawala siya ng sarili. Ayan, so ito na yung tatlong Oshinoko anime packs. Oshinoko, okay. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay. So, yung Panini sticker packs, meron na, nakita ko na dito yung Panini sticker packs. Ito sila. Ito. Yan. Tatlong Panini sticker packs. So, isang NBA, tatlong Pixar. Not bad. Ito, medyo baka pamigay ko to or benta, di ko alam. Basta, pero ito gagamitin ko. Yan. Tapos Panini albums. Ito na yung isang album NFL. And then another one Pixar. Album guys, album. And the NBA. So, pakita ko lang kung ano yung tsura ng loob. Kasi may ganito rin ako na football naman. Kakalipat ko lang sa Batangas itong weekend, last weekend. So, ganito yung tsura niya. So, yan siya. Yan. So, kada page may specific teams. Example, ito, Denver Nuggets. You know, I used to play basketball as well. Portland Trail Blazers. I used to play basketball. Ano nga ako, shooting guard nung high school. Pero di ako mahal ng basketball. Di ko alam bakit. Uy, by the way, suot ko pala yung official official basketball jersey ng The Corner Crew, courtesy of Sir Jean Paul. Jean Paul's Corner. Yan. So, Sir Jean Paul. Special shout out. Okay. So, yan yung Panini albums natin. Susunod ay yung tatlong Funko Pins. Nakita ko na sila eh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pare-parehas. Ayan, si Riddler. Tatlong Riddler. Funko Pins. Tatlong Funko pins. Yan, 1, 2, 3. Puro Riddler. So, okay. Tapos yung Funko patches. Ayan, tatlong Funko patch. So, we have Doctor Strange, another Doctor Strange, and Doctor Strange. So, Stranger, Strangest. So, kompleto. Tatlo. Last, I think, is yung Juiced stickers. Oh, I think, tatlo nga siya. Juiced stickers. Yung Juiced, gandang ano to. Magandang klase ng stickers. And actually, I am a fan of stickers kasi yun nga, may planner akong ginagamit. So, yun. Ginalagyan ko ng stickers para medyo maging expressive in a way. So, ito yung una. Pusang mermaid. Ano to? Catmaid. Catmaid. Then, rat jutsu. Ayan, nakalagay sa likod. Rat jutsu. Pero parang may aura siya ni Master Splinter. O yan, catfish daw. Ayan, catfish pala. Ayan, sa likod pala nakalagay, catfish. Literal. And then, mystery pack ng Fun Guys. So, there's a chance na isa dito. Kung ano naman yan. So, possible, makuha ko yung trumpet, shroom, tapos shiitake. Ayan ah. Ayan nakalagay ah. Pinabasa ko lang. Tiknoki. Ano ba to? Porta yoga tsaka yung mystery. Puro kabutay pala to, mushroom. Yan. What else? So yung natira dito, ayun na yung TCG. Yun na yun. Ito mga. So ibig sabihin, TCG na yun. Pero meron pa pala akong mga cards dito. May cards pa ako ng NBA dito. Luma, 2021-22. May extra pa nandito. Tapos, I think this is the TCG pack. Pero mukhang iniba na nila itsura. So, they gave us instead a comic. Inhumans vs. X-Men. Variant edition, issue number 1. Ayun, number 1, variant edition. Tapos kitang-kita naman Funko version nila Wolverine, Johnny, Sabretooth. Ayan, tapos ayan, kitang US naman, no. So, I guess ito na yung alternate nila for the TCG. Kasi alam ko the card game yun eh. So, I was expecting cards, but this is good na rin. So guys, yun yung laman ng ating 2026 lucky bag from our friends sa CO. So once again, thank you so much for joining me sa unpacking ng lucky bag natin for this year 2026. And again, if you're interested in getting one, you may get one from your nearest CO branch. Kung saan ka man malapit, you can check out their Facebook page and search mo kung tingnan mo lang kung saan yung lugar mo, then I'm sure mayroong malapit dyan na branch ng CO sa lugar mo. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day. God bless and see you in our next video.